Hello everyone, meet me again at the channel The Big Food KH. Today we have some special food for you. We are going to cook these two chicken into the oil barrel. This chicken we just raised them here in our chicken farm at the back. Right, we have lots of chicken like you see in here, lots of chicken. Okay, so please enjoy watching this video. Thank you. Okay, we started to put the ingredient powder. There's the ingredient powder. Okay, now we already mix these two chicken with the ingredient powder. Alright, we put the galanka and the kaffir lime leaf into the chicken. And this is the lemongrass. Also put with the lemongrass. Okay, now we prepare the chicken. See, we hang down over the steels. Okay, that's two chickens. Okay, the chicken already prepared, so we hang down over the steels. Now we're preparing the fire. This is all the banana leaf to make the bonfire. Look at this, almost done. Look at these little boys and girls. They probably seems hungry. They're waiting for the roasted chicken from the oil barrel. It's very hot. We're going to add some sauce, ingredient sauce. Okay. All right, we open it up to check it again. How is it going? Oh, look at this. Wow. Looks delicious. Okay, look at this. It's already done. But we had to take the wire out. Wow, look at this. We already prepared for this two little girls. They're hungry, so now they start eating. Okay, on the banana leaf. Look at this. Two roasted chickens comes along with vegetables, and also with the noodle, with carrots, with fish paste here, and then pepper sauce. Now it's time for eating roasted chicken.
Mama hai em. Đây còn có đài nữa. Đài. Mà hả? Papa. Em hạnh. Em hạnh có rồi em hạnh.
Yummy, look delicious, eh? Qué rico. Los pollos asados con verduras y la salsa de pimientas. Míralo. Esto se llama pescado fermentado. A los camboyanos les gusta mucho. Yummy, yummy.
Họ có còn.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Big Food Cage. Today we had special chicken that we cook into the oil barrel, okay? But it's already cooked, okay? It comes along with vegetable. Look at that, we had lettuce, we had carrots, and we had holy basil, we had cucumber, okay? And goes along with rice and noodles.
Ngon không?
Bienvenidos a mi canal todo el mundo. Hoy tenemos los pollos ahumados dentro de una caja. Mira, parece rico, ¿no? Parece rico. Mira, el niño está comiendo. Qué rico. Muchacho, qué rico, ¿no?
Không tới không? Dạ ôi. Không tới con. Thịt nhã. Ngon không?
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Họ có còn.
Now come with the whole family. This is the father. Wow, he's messy boy. Look at that. So ridiculous.
Đến này không?
Bài kỳ mà đã bài kia
Nhiều bà chứ?
Add more rice.
Bà
You
chứ?
need to add some more rice.
Bài không?
nó nằm bài ai bắt
Bài.
nằm bài ở lên
Ngon. Bài. Nhắm.
bài nó ngon mua chuyện
Nhắm bắp không?